A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in outer space, visible in the night sky either as an indistinct bright patch or as a dark silhouette against the other luminous matter. There are many different types of nebula. The first one is a galaxy. A galaxy is a system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust, held together by gravitational attraction. The next type is a globular cluster. A globular cluster is a large compact spherical star cluster, typically of old stars in the outer regions of a galaxy. Another type of nebula is an open cluster, and an open cluster is a loose grouping of stars. Next, there is an emission nebula. An emission nebula is a nebula that shines with its own light. Another type of nebula is a reflection nebula. This is a cloud of gas and dust which does not create its own light, but instead shines by reflecting the light from nearby stars. The brightest reflection nebula are places where stars are being formed. Here, the gas and dust is thick and shines by the light of new, bright stars. Another type of nebula is called a dark nebula. This is a non-luminous nebula of dust and gas which is observable because it obscures light from the other sources.
Next, planetary nebula, a ring-shaped nebula formed by an expanding shell of gas around an aging star. Finally, supernova remnants is the structure resulting from an explosion of a star in a supernova. The supernova remnant is bounded by an expanding shockwave and consists of ejected material expanding from the explosion and the interstellar material it sweeps up and shocks along the way.
An elliptical galaxy is a type of galaxy having an approximately ellipsoidal shape and a smooth, nearly featureless brightness profile. Unlike flat spiral galaxies with organization and structure, they are more three-dimensional, without much structure, and their stars are in somewhat random orbits around the center.
A spiral galaxy is a galaxy in which the stars and gas clouds are concentrated mainly in one or more spiral arms. Irregular galaxies. Some irregular galaxies are the result of gravitational interactions or collisions between formerly regular galaxies. Many irregular galaxies orbit large irregular ones. The Magellanic Cloud galaxies orbiting the Milky Way are examples.